Reading stories is a fantastic way to improve your English. It helps you learn new vocabulary and see how sentences are put together. Here is a short, fun story written in clear and simple English. The surprise cake. Anna wanted to do something special for her friend Ben. It was Ben's birthday, so Anna decided to bake a chocolate cake. She found a recipe in an old cookbook. First, Anna went to the supermarket. She bought flour, eggs, milk, and cocoa powder. When she got home, she turned on the oven to make it hot. She mixed all the ingredients in a large bowl. But Anna made a small mistake. Instead of 1 cup of sugar, she put in 1 cup of salt. She did not notice her mistake. She poured the wet batter into a pan and put it in the oven. 40 minutes later, the cake was ready. It looked beautiful and smelled wonderful. Ben arrived for his birthday party. Anna cut a big piece of cake for him. Ben took a bite. Suddenly, his eyes went wide, and he drank a whole glass of water very quickly. "Is it good?" Anna asked, smiling. "It is very interesting," Ben said politely. Anna took a small bite of the cake. "Oh no," she cried. "It is so salty." They both started to laugh. They did not eat the cake. Instead, they walked to the local bakery and bought a delicious strawberry pie. It was the funniest birthday Ben ever had. Few helpful words from the story. Recipe, a list of instructions for cooking or baking something. Oven, the machine in the kitchen used for baking and heating food. Batter, the wet mixture of flour, eggs, and milk before it is baked into a cake. Salty, tasting strongly of salt. The opposite of sweet. Bakery, a shop that makes and sells bread, cakes, and pies. Keep listening, friends. See you in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe.